Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Students, today we are going to discuss our topic habitat, lecture number 3. And students, this topic is present on your book page number 31. What are the learning objectives? Students, today we will discuss on the different habitat. Diagnostic assessment question: what is habitat? Why living organisms need habitat? Understanding, students, first of all we will discuss what is habitat. Basically, habitat is a natural home of any living organisms and the place where it lives and reproduce. Basically, students, a habitat is a place where organisms live and they can produce their generations. Just like, for example, fishes, they live in water, they can generate, they reproduce their generation in the water. So this is a habitat of the fishes. Most species have single habitat. Students, keep it in mind, some animals live just one place, so their habitat is one. But some animals used to live 2 or 3 habitats at different times in their lives. You can observe in the surroundings, some animals live in one or more habitat, in one or more place. It means they have one or more habitat. Animals having 2 habitats, for example, student, the tadpole is aquatic animal living and growing in the fresh water. When it has grown, changed to frog. Basically, tadpole is a stage of life cycle of the frog. They have 2 life cycle. They have 3 stages: larva, tadpole, and frog. When it is in the tadpole stage, it live in the water, and when it become mature, adult, then they come out from the water and live on the land. So it has 2 type of habitat: aquatic and land, terrestrial. Animal having single habitat: giant pandas live in the mountain of central China, where they feed only bamboo shoots. It means they have only one habitat. They cannot survive any other place in the world. So they have specific one habitat, that is China. Next, students, leopard can live in the open grassland, in tropical forest, and even on the farmland. Some habitat like that leopard are very large. Animals having small habitat. Students, some animals have small habitats like the microscopic organisms, amoeba. They live in the gutter or in the puddle shape. They live in small habitats. You can observe, you can see in the diagram, deserts, ocean, jungles, polar, grassland, waterland. These are different types of the habitats. This is the habitats in which organisms live. So students, this is all about our today's lecture. Learn this lecture and write question answer on your notebook. Thank you.